would you like me to like emphasize like see you at Schnucks or see you at Schnucks?
I think it's kind of like see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you at Schnucks. Spring is here, and we've never needed it more. Warmer days, brighter skies, and hope. Hope that, by pulling together, we've made it through the hardest part. And now, it's time for the best part. Whether you're curbside or inside, we're here and we're ready.
Let's bring it home. What do you think?
So bring on spring! I'm just glad I could be here to spend my time with Schnucks and, work with them to, get people back in the groove of being happy and being optimistic and being ready for spring. So bring on spring! See you at Schnucks!